Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what's in store for you for the month of January 2022. As these are general readings, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. So let's see what are the messages for Geminis. Okay, we have the Eight of Swords, the Justice, the High Priestess, the Six of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands, the Six of Wands, Seven of Cups, the Death card, and the Three of Pentacles. So Geminis, there is a situation in which you really feel trapped and you feel really unhappy. Okay, you are not able to let go of that situation, and because of that you are not even able to move forward. Okay, but just keep following your instincts. Okay, keep following your instincts, keep following your intuition. Slowly and steadily you will be able to balance the situation, you will be able to restore balance in your life, because what I feel is that you are really working hard on this aspect. You know that this is an issue which you are dealing with, and you are really trying hard to come out of it also. You are trying to restore balance in your life, even though people are not aware of it. Maybe you yourself are not aware of it, but I think you are. But subconsciously, at least, you are aware that yes, you are making an effort in that direction, whatever this is which is holding you back. Okay, and you are slowly and steadily doing justice to yourself, I should say, while you are coming back to par, or coming back to the situation in which you can move forward in life, I should say. Okay, so but one more thing is, with the Eight of Wands and the Six of Wands, once you are able to, maybe this is the time of a decision, maybe you have to take a decision which is pending. Okay, it can be that also. Maybe this is the time you have to take a decision, and there is something here which is stopping you to take that decision, but you need to listen to your inner voice. And once you do that, if it is something, a decision regarding yourself or decision regarding somebody else, but whatever it is, once you are able to do justice and balance in this situation, there is definitely a victory over here. There is a victory, there is happiness, there is a news coming in which is giving a lot of happiness and victory here. Some sort of a news, maybe it is a news which you are waiting for, and you are in the Eight of Swords energy. Maybe you are waiting for some sort of a news, it can be that also. And if that is in that case, the news seems to be arriving in your favor and you really feel happy about it. It can be you giving the news, or the decision, or somebody else taking a decision in your favor, whatever it is. But there is something here which is really holding you back, but whatever it is, the decision seems to be in your favor. Things will be restored to balance, things will be okay. With the Seven of Cups, the Death card, and the Three of Pentacles here, what I feel is there is either you have multiple options over here, there is something here which is causing some sort of a confusion here, but then you will be able to take some decision, because the confusion is ending after this situation arises, and you really feel happy. I think you are faced with some sort of a confusion here. Maybe you have many options as to what you are supposed to do or what you want to do, or there is a confusion in that there is something here which is causing confusion, but it will end. And following it, we have the Three of Pentacles. Maybe it is a confusion regarding a situation, because you are heading here towards a collaboration or a teamwork over here. Okay, maybe the confusion ends and finally you decide, okay, I'm ready to work with them, I'm ready to be okay with them, I'm ready to team up with them. Can be that also. Maybe that is what is holding you back. Maybe that is what you need to decide, that are you ready to work with them, are you ready to be with them, are you ready to team up with them. Maybe it is that which is the hesitancy on your part and which is causing confusion. And once that situation ends, after this decision is being taken, maybe you are then ready to, because after this confusion ends, I see you collaborating with people. That's what I want to say. let's see what are the messages from this deck. Again, confusion, 9 of Hearts. There is definitely a lot of confusion. So maybe this confusion is landing you here in this state of 8 of Swords, Gemini. So maybe there is a decision which is pending, because of which things are on hold. And once that news comes in, or you give a decision, as I said, there is victory. But then again, what this situation is going to end, and you are ready to collaborate with people over here. So, Geminis, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.